Oh my god, thank god I'm not staying.
Hey guys, welcome back to Nigerian Family TV.
So in today's video we're going to be doing the chopstick challenge with pounded yam.
Yeah, pounded yam, yeah.
First to finish using the chopstick to eat pounded yam.
Speed eating challenge. So it's basically we have to like try eating with chopstick. And this is like spicy
Pepper soup,
yeah. And we've got fish. What's catfish? Yeah, we've got catfish. Yeah. So it's basically first to finish, and whoever that wins. So in 3, 2, 1. No, you have to put your chopstick down. In 3, 2, 1. Subscribe. In 3, 2, 1. Go. Oh, she's already started. And guys, you already know from the last video you watched, I can't use chopstick. Like, it's very difficult.
It's not.
It is. Well, to you it's not, but to me, especially with this food, like, I just want to use my arm to like eat it.
I mean, with this food, it is difficult to use.
Yeah.
Oh my god, thank god I'm not staying.
Guys, vote for your winner. It's too hard. It's gonna be like tiny pieces of food on my soup. And it's spicy as well. This is difficult.
Really bony.
Oh, the fish. Like the plate has to be empty. Like no fish, nothing. If you have to lick the plate, you can. No, this is so difficult. Is it not difficult?
Not that bad.
It's not bun. Guys, vote for your winner. Like, who you think is gonna win? Because I played a game. Let me start again. I play a game to win. I'm not losing. That's the reason why I play a game. Because I know I'm not gonna lose. But this challenge is just extremely difficult. She's almost done. Imagine after boasting I'm gonna win and then she wins. That's embarrassing. How you find the challenge? Like, out of 10, how would you rate the challenge in like difficult? Like, how difficult is it?
4. It's not that difficult to me.
How is this gonna go in my mouth?
Yeah, you're crazy. Like, it's actually quite difficult. But,
I'll say out of 10, I'll rate this challenge like in difficult. Yeah, I'll rate it.
Compared to the spicy one, this is a 4.
I rate this 6 because I'm not comfortable eating with chopstick. It's really like hurting me right now. Like I just want to use my hand. Like I'm not enjoying the pounded yam. Like the soup is just gonna waste. Plus my belly's full. It's actually hard. Too many bones. Guys, this challenge is the worst challenge I've ever had so far. Like imagine eating pounded yam with chopstick. Like why?
It's not bad.
Like it's not bad, but it's really like I'm really like not comfortable. Like I just want to use my hand to eat it. Like just wasting the soup. Do you know what I mean? Like I'm so annoyed. Yeah, she's winning. Whatever. I just want to apologize for boasting and saying that I'm gonna I'm gonna win this challenge. I play a game to win. I'm not losing. Guys, obviously this challenge is just it's too difficult, man. And I don't want to stain my outfit. Just can't challenge with this now. Guys, I think I'm gonna give up. I won't give up. No. Don't give up. I'm done with the fish. Like, does this even count? Does this count? No, it doesn't. Like, what's this?
The skin.
I don't like eating the skin.
Fair enough.
Like you're so comfortable eating with chopstick. Like I respect that. So difficult. I hate you, man. It's so annoying.
It's funny watching you.
And this soup is so good. I have to use chopstick to eat this. Remember, the plate has to be empty.
Empty?
Yeah, empty, like nothing on the plate, nothing. Like when I say empty, like lick the stew, the soup, everything.
How am I supposed to lick the stew?
Eat the fish burn. Like this. It's not one hand challenge. It's just easy with chopstick, literally.
I don't know how to use my 2 hands to eat. That's disgusting.
I'm not saying you should eat like this. I'm saying you can use the other hand. Right, guys. To help you eat. Why am I even helping? Oh my god, I'm stupid, man. Actually stupid. Why would I help her? Why would I even tell her that? Stupidness. Stupidness, man. Guys, I don't know what's wrong with me today. Like on a normal day, I'm just... On a normal day, I'm not like this. I guess it's just chopstick. Nobody would be able to eat with chopstick. I tried, guys. I tried. I'm not doing this anymore.
Yeah, I win.
Whatever, guys. Like, who would eat with chopstick? Let's be for real. Like, that's not just me. I don't like that. It's not comfortable. I prefer eating with my hands.
Even you prefer eating pounded yam with your hands and not
Yeah,
chopstick?
obviously. Guys, the winner of this challenge, of this chopstick challenge, is
Sarafina.
Obviously. What do you mean obviously? Like you've been winning for...
Obviously, because I can see that one. I don't need to say eat again. Like,
so she won. She won the challenge
it's so
because
repetitive.
she's the queen of chopstick. Anyways, because normally, not every day, but she eats with chopstick at home and with spaghetti. Sometimes, often she eats it more often than she uses chopstick more often than me. So I guess that's why she's used to it. Anyways, guys, we'll see you guys on our next video. Make sure to give us a big thumbs up. Share this video around the whole wide world. Share it to your friends, your family, your cousins, everybody. And make sure to comment down below what you want us to post next.
Yeah.
And we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye. Peace.